are pleased to show you the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, compass, outside temperature gauge. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.